Now let's move to lower method. Syntax for lower is string dot lower. Let's see example. I'm defining text welcome. I'm keeping first letter big, welcome, our channel, and then I'm defining different variable to store this equal to text dot lower, and I'm printing x. So what it is giving? It is lowering our all capital letters. So the function of lower is to lower the uppercase letter. This is same as case fold letter we have already studied. If you not check that part, please check that out. Case fold method and lower is doing the same thing.